this video, we'll learn how to install the MuteBar software on Mac. To start, open Google Chrome, head to onairwarning.com, and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one. Then we navigate to the Support tab and click Download MuteBar for Mac. When it's finished downloading, click the file. Now click Agree in the license agreement and open the Read This First PDF. The steps outlined here are crucial because MuteBar will not work without them. When you first run the software, you'll see a System Extension Blocked pop-up. Do not click OK. Simply click Open System Settings and Allow. It will also ask you to confirm with your system password. Now, with this in mind, let's drag the MuteBar app to the Applications folder. Now let's go to the Applications folder and double-click the MuteBar software. When you see this warning, click Open. It brings you to the MuteBar Setup menu, where you can log in to authenticate your software. Here's that crucial step I mentioned earlier. On the System Extension Blocked pop-up, do not click OK. Instead, click Open System Settings, Allow, enter your system password and click Modify Settings. And finally, click OK on the resulting pop-up. This step is crucial because without it, MuteBar will not work correctly. For the microphone access pop-up, you can simply click OK. Same thing with the camera pop-up. Now we can click Continue to open the MuteBar software. Before we get into the software itself, let's restart the computer. With our computer restarted, we can now run MuteBar. Click the microphone icon to turn your system mic on and off, and the camera icon to toggle your camera. Double-click the center to toggle both at the same time. The smaller toggle on the right changes the behavior of the center button. The gear icon opens the settings. Now let's go into the settings and make sure that we have a working camera selected. Toggle Center Auto Mode to change the center light from manual control to automatically light up when you're in a meeting. When that's ready, we can click Selfie Mute Pick to select the image that will appear when our camera is muted. Here, we can choose from some of the built-in images, upload our own, create a text background, or take a custom selfie. Now let's open a Zoom call and make sure that OAW Cam is selected as the camera. You must select OAW Cam as the camera in Zoom, Meet, Teams, or any other video conference application. If you don't do this, the video mute and instant selfie won't work. Keep in mind that the mic and camera in your video conference app must be unmuted in order for MuteBar to work. Now when you toggle the camera, you can see MuteBar in action. If you go to the settings, try enabling instant selfie. This allows the camera mute to freeze your video feed when off. When you leave the meeting, your center light will automatically turn off if you are in center auto mode. For better security, please mute your mic and cam after you exit using the MuteBar software or mute switch. And that's it. Now you know that you're off. On-air warning. Know when you're on.